Okay, what's up guys? It's Frozen Steel back with another video today. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial. Normally I don't do tutorials, but I needed to make a video, and I didn't want to upload any gameplay, so this is what we're doing. It's going to be over wave dashing, and what I'm doing in the background, you can see is wave dashing right here. That is the wave dash that I'm going to be teaching you today. So, just a little bit before I teach you this mechanic, make sure that you are not a lower ranked player. If you are a lower ranked player, focus on something else. Just focus on flipping around the field, being really solid at your flips and knowing where they're gonna take you. And then once you learn that, then it's time for you to learn the wave dash. Alright, so here's how you want to wave dash. You want to go in a certain direction, so let's say you want to go forward. So you're going to use a forward wave dash. So the way to do this is going to tap A, or whatever your jump button is. You're going to tap jump, and then you're going to pull back on your thumbstick, kind of like this. Just like this. And then right as your wheels are about to touch the ground, you're going to want to front flip. Like this. But before you go anywhere too far, there's one last step. While you're doing all of this, you're going to want to be holding drift, except for the beginning. You only have to hold drift right at the end part, but if you find that too hard to time, it's not really that big of a problem. You can just hold drift the whole time. So you can see my drift button is left bumper. See, I'm drifting while holding left bumper and tapping it. I hold left bumper right as I jump, and then that gives me a good wave dash. I drift. So like normally if you don't hold drift, your wave dash can take you far, but there's a lot more of a chance that you could spin out. Or there could be a bigger mistake, like let's say I mess up my wave dash a little bit. If you have drift on, you're more likely to recover than you are if you don't. So definitely incorporate drifting into it. And then there's other types of wave dashes too. I'm just gonna briefly cover these because these are all like the same premise. Let's cover right and left. To right wave dash, you just jump. Angle the opposite direction, so angle to the left if you want to go right. So jump, left, right. Jump, left, right. Jump, angle left, flip to the right. Just practice this over and over. Just from wall to wall, doing just this over and over and over. And then when you get to the like goal or whatever wall you're at, you can just stop. And you can do it the other direction. So if you want to go left, you jump, angle to the right, flip to the left. Jump, angle to the right, flip to the left. And also, again, hold drift while doing the whole thing. I'm using my drift because it's my manual air rule as well. So you can see when you hold your manual air rule and you move your thumbstick to the left and right, it angles you depending on how far you move your thumbstick. So you're only gonna go a little bit to the left or to the right depending on which way you want to wave dash. You don't have to go overkill. You don't have to do this much. It's too much. You don't want to do too like this. This one's alright, but you're not getting like the most power you can. The better you get at it, the more power you can get by getting like better angles. But if you're a beginner, just work on your basic angles. But yeah, that's pretty much like the basics to a wave dash. Now here's the application. You might be wondering, why is this little mechanic you just taught me even useful? Well, when you flip, it puts you kind of out of position for a little while. While you're flipping, you end up in a stuck position. You can't really control your car. I mean, you can do a little bit of movement, but for the most part, you can't control your car while you're flipping. So that's why wave dash is kind of useful. You are still on the ground in like your normal car position. You still have control and stuff. You can maneuver, and you might have a little less car control, but you definitely have way more than you would if you were flipping. Also, another way to get it's helpful is on recoveries. If you get bumped, this is more like a higher level use. If you get bumped, you can recover pretty easy if you know how to wave dash. It also gets you going a little faster. Coupled with the half flip, which is what I'm going to teach you in my next tutorial video, and in probably about a couple weeks, few weeks. Coupled with the half flip, you can recover like really easy. See, the half flip's that little thing right there. This is the half flip. I'll teach you how to do that in like the next tutorial. But yeah, also last good use is if you're coming out of the opponent's goal, just do that. You can just come out of the goal and jump down. Oh, rip, I messed it up, the timing. But if you get the timing just right, you can jump down from the goal. You'll still have your flip, and you can wave dash on the ground and do like a corner flip. And then you're going supersonic. You can pick up a few pennies, and now you're heading back to your goal, going really fast. got some boost in the tank, and you'll be ready for the save or the play. Well, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more content. And if this video gets 10 likes, I will continue to make some more tutorial videos. And I'll see you guys in my montage coming out soon. Enjoy.